Don't ruin yours over it.
Not gonna ruin.
It's not worth it. I got a good one, yeah. Do I just put it in?
Yes.
How full?
Leave about an inch on the top.
So I need a little more.
You could.
That's good. Do you think I need more chocolate?
I don't know. You don't. You just need to. There's plenty in there because you're gonna pour it out. You just need to.
So now I need to. You did that masterfully. So now I dump it.
Yeah.
Your decoration looks really cute.
Ah, thank you. So did yours.
I think you dumped enough. Now you got to spin it around to thicken it up inside.
Yeah, I don't know if I have enough in there to. Should I put a little more in? Not sure there's quite enough in the head now. What do you think?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
You're gonna pour it on you.
No, no. I feel like I need her. I feel like there might be enough. I don't know if I have enough in my head. How much do you have? Is it a lot?
I don't know, it's not that much.
Not okay, mine's not in there. Okay, it's probably okay then.